This is worksheet H4-4, problem number 3. We have the product of x times y equals 8 and x plus y equals 6. So it looks like we have a hyperbola on the top, right? This one's a hyperbola. And how do I know that? Well, if y was by itself, it would be y is equal to 8 over x, right? So since x is in the bottom, we know it's a rational function. And then it looks like we have just a line in standard form right here. So this one's just a line in standard form, or it's linear. So when we take this and we want to solve it, we're probably going to want to use our substitution. What I'm going to look at doing here is x and y are pretty easy to get together, or I'm sorry, to get isolated. You could do either one of them. I'm going to go ahead and just subtract an x from each side. Now I have y is equal to negative x plus 6. And I'm going to take that expression, and since it equals y, I'm going to take it and substitute it in for the y in the other equation. Let's do that. So we've got x now. Instead of times y, I'm going to say times negative x plus 6. And that's supposed to equal 8. Well, we'll just go ahead and distribute our x through. We're going to say a negative x squared plus 6x is equal to 8 right now. And to go ahead here and make this easier for me to factor, I'm going to go ahead and just move each of these terms over to the other side by doing the inverse operations. So I should have 0 equals a positive x squared minus 6x plus 8. And that will factor into x minus 4 times the quantity of x minus 2. Therefore, x is going to equal 4, and x is going to equal positive 2. So right now we have the potential for 2 answers. We're going to take each of those and plug them into either of the equations. And when you look at your equations, they're both pretty easy. Let's just plug in the 4 into the first one. I have 4 times y is equal to 8. When I divide both sides by my 4, I'm going to get y is equal to 2. So I get that solution 4, 2. And when we do the second one there, I'll do that one in blue. We're going to say here that we've got 2 times y is equal to 8. We're going to divide both sides by 2. And then we've got y is equal to 4. So we're going to end up here with the point 0.24. And just so you know that that would be the solution for that problem. If you have questions, please.